What's up, guys? Today we're back on Time Show. That's just my mom's treadmill. We're gonna try to bring my brother. Danny, come over here. I have to show you something. Hit him again. Oh, there he is. Oh, crap. Now he's done. This is turning into epic battle. Oh, I just missed. No. How? How? How?
I'll whack you guys. Whack, whack. Ah!
Hit him. He's on his way. Reload. Got him. Yeah. Destroyed.
I'm shooting